MIPOS series actuators from piezosystem Jena provide high-speed, high-resolution positioning and scanning for objective lenses for many applications from OEM to lab bench. Compatible with all major objective brands, these versatile actuators feature a stiff design that prioritizes minimal lateral runout while maximizing step scan speeds and repeatability. MIPOS actuators are commonly used in semiconductor and display manufacturing by enabling lithography, inspection, alignment, and wafer slicing. Beyond the commercial sector, MIPOS actuators enable cutting-edge research and development in photonics, biology, and medical industries. Commonly used models include the MIPOS 100 SG, the MIPOS 250 SG, the MIPOS 600 SG, and the Nano MIPOS 400 cap.